Hello everyone, welcome to 80s Kitchen and Vlogs. So in the last video for part 1, you guys have seen that I have done a review for the Apple AirPods. So today we are going to be doing the part 2, and in which I will be reviewing the Sony WF-SP900 sports wireless earphones. So here are the headphones. This is the case basically, and this is also very handy. And you can take this. The best part about this headphone is that you can take it anywhere because it has storage. So basically, if you download MP3 songs in it, you can listen to it anytime. You don't need Wi-Fi or data or internet to do anything. तो इस हेडफोन्स के लिए आपको लैपटॉप की ज़रूरत नहीं है, मोबाइल की ज़रूरत नहीं है. आप सिर्फ ये अगर ले जाते हैं तो आपको कुछ चीज़ की ज़रूरत नहीं है. बस आप अगर पहले से इसमें डाउनलोड करके रखते हैं गाने, so that you can hear it anytime. And also this headphone can also be used as a Bluetooth headphone, so you can connect it with your phone, connect it with your laptop and do all that. But I don't use the Bluetooth feature in this because I already have the Apple AirPods, so I don't need to use the Bluetooth feature. So whenever I use this, I use it only for the downloading thing, because not everywhere you get data. So for example, if you're going to a foreign country somewhere, so you're not always will you have your phone okay, I'll listen to songs from the internet. So if you just pre-download the songs in the headphone from before, it's just really helpful. And yeah, to be honest, this is a very sporty headphone, so basically you can swim underwater with it. So that's a really nice feature in this. And the battery life is also awesome. So basically the battery life for Bluetooth is 12 hours, up to 12 hours. And if you're using the 4 GB storage that's built in for the downloading of the songs, then the battery life is up to 21 hours, which is like, it just blows my mind. And I really like these headphones. They are very sporty. They give you a sporty look. You can wear it during exercising and not worry about sweating and spoiling your headphones or something. It's really nice. I really like it. And there's also another feature in this called the ambient mode, in which sometimes you just don't want to hear the music. You want to hear your surroundings as well as the music. So what this does is it gives you different nature sounds mixed with your music, which sounds awesome. It sounds really nice. So these headphones were released in October 2018. Actually, they were available in stores in October 2018. They were released before that. And they are priced at around $280, which is around 20,000 rupees. So yeah, I personally really like these headphones. Okay, so I'm just going to show you guys how to download songs in it, because connecting it with Bluetooth is quite simple. Everyone knows how to do that. But then downloading the songs might get a bit difficult. So it's actually not that difficult, but still. So you will need a laptop to do this. So I have gotten my laptop over here, and you'll need something else. So basically the charger is a USB-C, which is like the Thunderbolt C drive. So my laptop is a Mac, so MacBook Pro. So the MacBook Pro uses a Thunderbolt C drive charger as well. So it gets really easy for me to charge it. But anyways, you can charge it any way you like. So basically this is a cable which connects my laptop and the headphones. You can find this kind of wire anywhere, like in any gadget store or on Amazon also. If you just say you want a Thunderbolt C drive, which is this, if you have a HP laptop, then you can go for the Thunderbolt C drive and the USB drive, the normal USB, so that they both can get connected. But my laptop doesn't have the USB drive and it has the Thunderbolt C drive, so I bought a Thunderbolt C drive to a Thunderbolt C drive. So so that just works perfectly fine for me. So I'll connect the one end of this wire to the headphones, to the headphone case, and the other end to my laptop. And now I'm going to show you how to do the downloading thing. So basically you'll see a file that comes here called headset. So here you'll have this whole folder, so we'll just keep that aside. And now you can go to Safari and you can download you can go to Safari and you can search for any good MP3 downloader. I like Bollywood songs, so I know this website called Songs MP3. Wait, what was it? Yeah, Songs MP3 download. Okay, so it's like a Bollywood thing, and you can download latest Bollywood songs in it. And yeah, I really like this website because it doesn't have any virus or anything, because normally on websites like these they have a lot of viruses, but this doesn't. But I am not really aware of any English song MP3 website, so yeah. So anyways, I'm gonna download like any song, let's say, fine. So I'm gonna download the Kalank title song. So it's very easy, you can just click here and download. You can use any MP3 downloading system, and yeah. And then I've just downloaded one song, and then I'll download the other. And yeah, download Ghar More Pardesiya. That's the second song that I'm going to download. And yeah, my both songs are almost downloaded now. Okay, and so we are good. So the song has started playing in iTunes. Anyways, so we're good. So our downloaded songs are here. So what you have to do is take the downloaded songs and save it to your desktop. Okay, so I have made a whole folder for all my audio songs. So I just put these audio songs in my folder. So basically you have to download an app called Content Transfer. So in that, actually from the case, the box which this comes in that there's a manual, and in that manual it's written the link for the app. So you need to download that to transfer the music to your headphones. So I'm going to open Content Transfer. It's already downloaded for me and the device is connected. So what I have to do is very easy. I just need to select both of these songs, and then I can just drop the files to transfer, and it's transferring, it's loading, and it's done. So I have all my songs ready to go, and yeah, now the songs have directly come to the headphones. So if you go to headphone and see your music, you'll see many songs, but see, yeah, this is the Kalank song that's here. It's already here, so that's good. And yeah, so that's how you download songs on your Sony WF SP900 headphones. So now just eject your headphones, disconnect it properly, and we are ready to take these out. Okay, and now I'm gonna show you how they look when I wear them. So I'll just this is the right side, left side. I'll just take them out, and okay, I'll wear them. Now you guys will say, okay, how do you turn this on? There's a button on the right hand side of the headphone, which is the right headphone. There's a button at the side, which if you press, it turns on the music. So if I press that, turns on my music. And then if you press it again, it turns it off. So basically it's an on-off button. If you want to increase your volume, double tap on the right headphone, and if you want to decrease your volume, double tap on the left headphone. Just simple double tap, that's all you need to do. So if you want to change your song, then all you have to do is that the power button that I told you about, the on-off button that I told you about on the right hand side of the headphone, that you have to double tap, and it'll go to the next song that's there. So you can change your songs like that. And the ambient mode, how to turn on the ambient mode, is from the left headphone. Basically if you turn that button on, the ambient sound mode turns on. So that all is done. That's really simple. And yeah, that's all there is to this headphone, and I hope you guys really like this video. And for the next part 3 of this video, we are going to be doing a review on the Bose earphones, Bose Sports Wireless earphones. So I'm really excited for that as well. And if you want to watch that, do stay tuned to AD's Kitchen and Vlogs. Press the bell icon so that you never miss another update from our channel. And thank you for watching, everyone. Stay safe. Have a great day. Goodbye.